Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a private message to someone in your Messenger group chat without everyone else seeing it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple, updated steps to privately message any member from your Messenger group. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, find and tap on the group chat where the person you want to message is a member. This will open the group conversation, where you can see all the messages everyone has sent. Next, look at the top of your screen. You'll see either the group name or a row of profile icons representing the group members. Tap on this area. This will bring up the group's details page, where you can manage settings and see who's in the group. Now, on the group details page, find and tap the option that says See Members. This will show you a list of everyone in the group, making it easy to find the person you want to message. Scroll through the list until you spot the member you want to contact privately. Once you find them, tap on their name. This will open up their profile within Messenger. On their profile page, you'll see a button labeled Message. Tap on it. This will open a new private chat window just between you and that person. No one else in the group will see what you send here. Now all that's left is to type your message. Write whatever you want to say, then hit send. Your message will go directly to that person, privately and securely. And that's it. You've just sent a private message to a group member without leaving the Messenger app or revealing your conversation to the rest of the group. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.